Hey guys, and welcome back to another episode of Jazz It Up on a Budget. Yay! So I just thank you guys so much for the support you guys gave me from my first video. You guys don't even understand. It means so much. I got up to, I believe, 70 subscribers already. And the video, literally, it hasn't even been a full week. And I think I'm over 300 views, and that is a lot to me, guys, because you really don't know what type of support you're gonna get anytime you're starting something, and y'all just went so hard. It's just gonna go up from here, so I just want to say thank you. But no more talking. So guys, this video, well, I guess I'm gonna be talking, but anyway, this video is going to be a super cute video, and we're gonna have some fun this time. I feel like last time I didn't really get to show y'all my real personality and just have some fun with you. So today we're gonna have fun. So ladies, get you a glass of wine and just wind down. Today's episode is going to be all about looks on a budget. So I'm gonna show you guys some nice looks that I got from Amazon, Forever 21, and Fashion Nova. Everything was under $20. I really don't think anything was over $20, guys. But you get to see some cute looks and how you can look fab on a budget. Order to subscribe and like and make comments, guys. You gotta sign into your accounts. So don't forget, guys, please sign in your account when you watch the video, so that way you can like, subscribe, and keep up with me with everything that I'm doing. Now, before I get started, I know y'all are saying, where's this girl's hair? I decided to get it cut, guys. I went to the salon, and honestly, it was just so many inches of just dead hair, like about here. And I was just like, you know what? Cut it. Cut it. I have no need for nothing dead. And you know what? Hair grows back. And I'm actually really liking it. And I'm just about to start a healthy hair journey and, you know, grow it back the right way, because I wasn't taking care of it. But speaking of hair, y'all, I got this hair button, little hairpin thing. I don't know why I call it a button. Little hairpin thing for $1 from Dollar Tree, y'all. I'm telling you, I'll be sleeping on dollar stores. You can find some really cool, neat things. Like, you know, you can find this on Amazon for like $7.99 and on websites for $10, even more than that. And I got this for $1, and it came with like 2 other clips too. But anyways, guys, today's video is going to be a haul, and nothing was over $20. I'm almost positive nothing was over $20. So guys, please like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your notifications on so you can keep up with me for whenever I post a video. And if you're interested to see how I got this look and many more under $20, then keep on watching. So the first outfit that I'm going to show you is this really sexy new dress. Check it out, check her out. Okay, guys, this dress is from Forever 21, as you can see the tag, and this dress was for, I can go ahead and pop it, $17.99. This is a $18 dress, and it's super sexy. I think I've seen something in like House of CB that was like this a while ago, but a lot of places carry just like a sexy nude dress that you could just dress up or dress down. Let me back up so you guys can see. I just paired it with some little slides that I got from Just Fab for $10. So this whole look under $30. Guys, I got this necklace, and it's actually one of my favorite necklaces, if you can see. I got this from Amazon for $5, y'all. Don't judge me. I was just on there looking for like some jewelry. I was like, I need some gold necklaces. I searched necklaces and $10. This came up. So yeah, and people always think it's real, but you know, it's real cute. I really like this dress. It's a multi-purpose. This is, you can put a blazer on this and go somewhere a little bit more sophisticated. You can wear it with some sneakers. You can just wear it with some heels and make it cute. This next look that I'm gonna show you, this is one of my favorite dresses, y'all. Well, it's new, but it's one of my new favorite dresses. Oh my God, guys. I call this my BBB dress. That's because you can go from brunch to the baby shower to the bridal shower in this dress. And I absolutely love this, guys, because not only is it cute, but I got this dress. They had a sale on Just Fab, guys. Just Fab is not just for shoes. They have dresses. I don't even think I use my Just Fab account for shoes. And guys, if you're not familiar with Just Fab, they are like a membership. You pay $40 a month, but you get a new pair of shoes every month, or you can swap it out for like a dress or jeans or whatever that they have on the website, and they're having deals. And I did this dress and a hat for $39.99. So we'll just say that the dress was $20. But guys, I absolutely love this dress because, again, it's another multi-purpose dress. And I just love this color. This is actually one of my favorite colors. It's like this blush mauve color. And like I said, guys, this is for like a bridal shower, brunch, baby shower. I mean, you could throw on some heels and go to the club, but I won't wear this to the club. But this is definitely like when you want to go to a nice classy event and be sexy. I decided to pair it with this purse that I got from Forever 21, guys. And this purse, I love the stuff that I still have the tags on. $19.99, if you can see, y'all. Forever 21 has stepped their game up. Back in the day, when you would shop at Forever 21, and this may just be my opinion, y'all, let me know in the comments if you feel the same. When you would shop at Forever 21, you would spend a little money, but the clothes and the handbags and stuff felt like you spent a little bit of money. They have really stepped their quality up. Like, I have a few of their handbags because they were all like $20. I think I spent like $80 and got like 4 bags in one day, and this is one of them. Their bags, just their new everything, the quality is so much better. You know, I used to think like Forever 21 stuff would just fade away and rip and be done within a year, but they have really gotten better quality. So guys, I love to pair. I just paired these two together because they got that pink thing going on, but you don't have to do that. But I just thought this was really cute, guys. So yes, $20 bag, $20 dress. Okay, guys, I'm back. I had to get a little cocktail. Y'all, trying to film and having a 2-year-old, it's a struggle. Well, it should be 2 in a couple weeks. It's a struggle, y'all. I had to get her situated, and I'm back. Oh, and this drink is on a budget too. This is inexpensive tequila I got for like $20 for a big bottle. And even my Red Bull was on sale, y'all. They were on sale for $2. So this whole video is on sale. But guys, back to it. So this is the next look, guys, and I love this. I would honestly wear it with heels. I didn't want to put heels on because I'm so tall and I wanted you guys to be able to see me. But guys, get into this all black sexy look. You could definitely do this out with, you know, some heels or a nice sandal. But I got this top for $10 from Amazon. And just a reminder, y'all, I'm putting the links of everything that I'm wearing today in the description so you can go cop it too, or something like it, or maybe something like it in a different color. But I got this top for $10, and I got these jeans. They were on sale for $22.99 on Fashion Nova, and then they had 30% off. So, you know, 3 times 2, 6 plus carry to 1. Anyways, I got it for under $20. They were probably like $18 before taxes, and or with taxes or whatever. And then I got this shirt for $9.99, and it was prime. So guys, this outfit together was under $30, and I just paired it with my Louis Vuitton belt. I think it's so cool to just like pair like some expensive pieces that you do have. If you feel like, you know, oh, I don't want my look to look cheap, but I don't feel like I pick anything that just looks cheap. But it's always nice to pair your outfits with maybe a designer belt or a designer heel or something, or a designer handbag, just to give it that, you know, classic look. But this is just a simple pair of black jeans, and I love the way Fashion Nova jeans fits on me. And then I just paired it with this $10 top from Amazon, and we have a look. Yeah, I like this. This is really cute, guys. And this is like, this is all year. You can wear this in the summertime because of the see-through sleeves, but you could also do it in the fall or in the winter because it's just black. But I just love all black. Makes you feel slimmer, you know what I'm saying? It's just like, come up in that all black and feel that, okay? All right, so this is the next look. So these are the same jeans that I just had on, but I paired it with another top I got from Amazon, y'all. Amazon don't sleep on their fashion. Guys, they have some cute, super affordable clothes. So I got this top for $9.99. And like I said, I am going to link all of the descriptions so that you guys can shop yourself. They had this top in black. I want to say they had it in like a nude color, a couple other colors. I wanted the white, and this is, like I said, only $9.99. And then I got this belt, guys, and I just love this belt. It kind of gives me like the Gucci vibe, and I thought it was just super cute. I actually have a Gucci belt, and I love that belt, but like I love this one too. I honestly probably get more wear out of this belt, but it's super cute. This belt was only $12.99, and it comes in silver as well. So if you guys want me to show y'all how the silver is, I don't have that one, but if you want to send $12.99 so that I can view it for you guys and let you know how it is, don't hesitate. But yeah, guys, so I love this look. I love an off the shoulder top, and I just wore it with the strapless and these black jeans, which are from Fashion Nova. So you got the $12.99 belt, $9.99 top, and like I said, about $18 jeans. And here's a look. But guys, I just love this look because it's like anything where you can dress it down. Like I could put on some sneakers right now. I could put on, you know what I'm saying, some Nike Air Max, or I can put on some sandals, or I can put on some heels. Like literally, it's like, it depends on the phone call. Where we going? We're going, where? Okay, we meet up here, okay. And literally, it's a multi-purpose outfits. I purposely buy multi-purpose outfits because when outside opens up, or when it was open, like that's really how like my plans are. My friends are like, okay, come meet me here for lunch, and then we go to here, happy hour, and then we're at the club, and then we're at an after hour spot. You know what I'm saying? So you just gotta be ready for all occasions, y'all. Yeah, this is super cute. All right, hey guys, so this is the last look that I'm gonna show you that I got on a budget. Y'all, when I tell you this fabric, this color, just everything about this. Crazy thing about it is this is actually the cheapest thing that I got that I've shown you. This is the cheapest thing, y'all. I got this dress for $8.99. Yes, I got this dress for $8.99 off of Fashion Nova. It was on sale. So you guys know, in order to shop on a budget with Fashion Nova, start at the sale category. So if I'm looking for something, if I'm looking for jeans, I always start in the sale category. They always have a discount code. It does not matter what day you're shopping. I don't care if you're shopping on a 20% off day, a 30% off, a 40, a 15. They always have a sale code. So this dress was on the sale, is in the sale category. I was just looking for like some summer dresses, and this was on sale already. I want to say it was on sale for like $13. Something really cheap because they only had a few sizes left. Now, I'm gonna post the description and link, but I don't know if it's still available. But you may get lucky because sometimes they always have like extra smalls left, or they have like more of the plus size, curvier girl sizes left. So you may be lucky. But I got this for $8.99. It was on sale for like $13, and then it was like 30% off or something. But guys, when I tell you this jumpsuit, and I don't even know why I say I was looking for dresses because this is a jumpsuit, but I think that this may have been in the category of dresses. I mean, you can pull it off as a dress, but it is a jumpsuit. And when I tell you guys this color, this orange, so I don't know what it looks like on camera right now. To me, it's giving me like burnt orange vibes, but in person, it is a reddish orange. If you remember crayons back in the day, y'all, remember that color and it said reddish orange? That's the color of this dress. So if you really want to like know if you got kids, look in their crayon box, that reddish orange color. That is what it looks like in person. It is really a reddish orange, and it is just popping. Like I feel so sexy in this. Like I wanted to wear it for Cinco de Mayo. I thought I was gonna have somewhere to go, but we're all still quarantined, and it's all good because once this is over, prayers up, we all gonna just be super cute out here because we gonna have all these outfits we ain't worn. But guys, I absolutely love this. And if you look at the tag, if you look at it, it was normally $39.99, y'all. So we're talking $40 originally. Somebody bought this dress $40 and I bought it for $8.99. Okay, so who's really winning, y'all? Okay. So yes, get into this look. And I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. It has been super duper fun. I still got a little bit of my drink left. I hope that you guys seen some items that you like. If you like videos like this, please tell me. I would love to post items that I got for under $20. I will even do an under $10 haul because I got some stuff in the back for $5 off of Amazon. Like, really, I literally search for what I'm looking for, and I search for it under a certain price. And if I can't find it, then I move up. But if I can find it, why not? So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys love my new haircut. You'll be seeing it for a little while, but don't be surprised if you see me with a little pony, okay? Because I do switch up my looks. I just think it's nice to keep it fun, you know, especially for your dude, you know what I'm saying? If you want to see other people, that ain't no problem. Who you want to be? I'm Sasha today, okay? I will be Amanda tomorrow. I'll put on a blonde wig, you know, so just got to keep it fresh. But guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and please, please subscribe, comment, like. I just appreciate all the love you guys have given me on the last video. I hope you do the same. Please, guys, this means so much to me that you guys are even tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed it. And stay blessed and stay beautiful.